the equation of the line tangent to circle P at point B in point slope form.
The slope of your radius would be the way you find a regular slope, which is rise over run. Or y2 minus y1, because that's your rise, you're rising, y-axis, run, x2 minus x1. So in this case, m, that's your slope. You're going to use what you found for your point B, which is found at 4 and negative 6, and your center, which is P, at 1 and negative 2. So y2 minus y1, negative 6 minus 2, so plus 2, over x2 minus x1, so 4 minus 1. And then negative 6 plus 2, negative 4, 3. Negative 4 over 3. And that's your slope. And then in order to find your tangent, you're going to have to do your negative reciprocal. So this will no longer be negative because you're taking the negative of a negative, which will turn it into positive 4 over 3. And then you turn it into your reciprocal. So you flip it. So it'll be 3 over 4, positive 3 over 4. And that's the slope of your tangent. And your point slope form is y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So just plug in everything. Y plus 6 minus your y1 equals your slope 3 over 4 x plus 4. And that's and also keep in mind on the side your standard form of a circle. That's where you're going to need that later to go through the square. But to find your center and your radius. So, first you're going to have to complete the square. Rewrite this equation, y squared plus 4x plus, leave this blank, plus y squared minus 6y plus, leave this blank, equals, add this, 23, cancel it out, 23. And you do this in order to group the x's and the y's, and then the leftover 23 you can put it on the right side because you're going to need to add on to it whatever you add on to each of these. In order to find the numbers, you will need to complete the square, these two. You take the coefficient of this, so 4 divided by 2 equals 2, and square it. So 2 times 2, 2 to the power of 2, is 4. So that'll become 4. Remember, whatever you add to this side, you must also add to this side. So plus 4. Then you do the same here. Negative 6 divided by 2 equals negative 3. Negative 3 to the power of 2 is 9. So plus 9 here. And you also do the same on this side. So now you can group your x's and your y's. And the coordinates from the x and the y will end up being the coordinates for your center. So you take the opposite of x plus 2, and that's your center. Find your radius. You know that your standard form is right here, and your radius squared is right here. So if 36, back here now, it's already plugged in. 36 equals radius squared. Then take the root of 36, which is going to be r. R is 6. Now you know your radius and your center. So you graph your center at negative 2 of 3, and then Since you know your radius, you know the distance from here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here. So this is 6. This is 6. This is 6. This is 6 as your radius is from this point, the distance from this point to your endpoints. Complete this square. There is one thing you must take care of. Your middle term is known as B. You must use it to complete the 3. Divide the middle in half. Then square by 2. It's simple math. Don't forget to balance the sides. Slow down, no need to rush. Take your time. So now, this is your B term. And remember, in order to find the third term, B divided by 2 squared equals, when you add these all together, 64.
And now you know how to complete the square and solve problems involving circles.